How to enable or disable upscale digital zoom in camera on Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on this four dot icon and click on settings icon. Now in camera settings, scroll down and here showing you camera assistant. Click on camera assistant. After click on camera assistant, scroll down and click on advanced resolution option. So click on advanced resolution option. After click on advanced resolution option, you will see upcycle digital zoom is here. If you want to disable upcycle digital zoom, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, upcycle digital zoom is disabled. If you want to enable upcycle digital zoom, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, upcycle digital zoom is enabled. You will enable or disable upcycle digital zoom from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable upcycle digital zoom in camera on Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.